Greetings, survival enthusiasts! Are you prepared for the most cutting-edge tools that could make all the difference in a critical situation? Join us on an epic journey into the world of next-level survival gadgets that are set to redefine your outdoor experiences. Now, let's jump right in. Well, are you in search of a multi-purpose outdoor companion that comes in handy for survival? The Pathway North Survival Shovel Axe combines a robust stainless steel axe and shovel into a compact package, catering to outdoor enthusiast needs. Crafted from durable 3CR13 stainless steel, the axe is both tough and rust-resistant, while the shovel excels at digging, sawing, and chopping. Ergonomic handles and extension bars enhance usability. It even includes essential survival features like a fire starter, whistle, screwdriver set, and more. Whether you're camping, hiking, or venturing off-road, this tool set ensures you're well prepared for any situation. The IRONCLAD Supply Rocket Stove is the ultimate outdoor cooking solution. A portable, robust wood-burning stove. It's both durable and efficient, utilizing easily accessible biomass for fuel. Ideal for camping, emergencies, or off-grid living, it can cook a full meal with minimal sticks. Its rocket stove design minimizes smoke, maximizes fuel efficiency up to 23,000 BTU, and includes a canvas storage bag and fuel support system for added convenience. Looking for the ideal gift for an adventurous loved one? The ROVERTAC Survival Multi-Tool is a fantastic choice. This 14-in-1 multi-tool packs a hatchet, hammer, knife, saw, bottle opener, fire starter, whistle, and more into a compact stainless steel package with a bright red handle. Designed for camping, hiking, and survival, its extended, robust build distinguishes it. Backed by a lifetime warranty and dedicated to customer contentment, it's the go-to for outdoor enthusiasts. The SHARPAL Survival Knife Sharpener is a multifunctional 6-in-1 pocket knife sharpener and survival tool, making it an essential companion for outdoor adventures. This tool includes coarse and fine sharpening slots, a tapered diamond rod for serrated blades, a fishhook groove, a fire-starting ferro rod, and a high-pitched emergency whistle. Durable abrasives, field-tested for longevity, and a built-in lanyard hole make it portable and ideal for hunting, camping, and survival. It's backed by a 3-year warranty, ensuring reliability in your gear. Whether you're camping, hunting, or just want to be prepared for unexpected situations, the ARCTURUS heavy-duty survival blanket is a must-have. Its versatile design allows it to serve as a ground tarp, shelter, tent, or emergency blanket. One side features a mylar reflective surface for heat reflection and signaling, while the other side has 2 layers of polypropylene for waterproofing and insulation. With reinforced tie-down grommets, it's easy to hang or secure, making it an indispensable addition to any outdoor adventure or emergency kit. Looking for the ultimate fire-starting solution? The PROCAMPTEK Fast Fire Stick is the answer. Does it live up to the hype? Absolutely. This innovative tinder combines compressed cotton with a special wax formula, ensuring exceptional wind resistance and quick ignition using flint sparks, ferro rods, matches, or lighters. Its compact, non-toxic packaging and long shelf life make it a versatile addition to bug-out bags or backpacks, simplifying fire starting in any weather. Introducing the RINO Ready Companion V2, tailored for you. In a world where emergencies are becoming more frequent and severe, this survival system is a game changer. Designed with input from experts and first responders, it's packed with high-performance gear for 2 people. The quick access base ensures efficient organization and customization during critical moments. With natural disasters on the rise, RINO Ready's mission to save lives truly shines through in this well-crafted, essential product. Be prepared, stay safe, and trust in the Companion V2 when it matters most. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a prepper, the UCO Stormproof Match Kit is a resounding yes for anyone seeking reliable fire-starting tools. This kit comprises 25 windproof waterproof matches, 3 strikers, and a waterproof case accommodating up to 40 matches. Each match ignites easily and burns for 15 seconds, even in heavy winds or underwater. The sturdy ABS plastic case keeps everything dry and secure, boasting a waterproof seal for added protection. A crucial addition for emergencies and outdoor expeditions, built to withstand harsh conditions. Are you an outdoor enthusiast who values preparedness? Look no further than the LIFESABER power supply, a groundbreaking survival tool. This all-in-one device combines a USB power generator, light/siren, UV water purifier, and plasma fire starter, ensuring you're ready for anything in the wilderness or urban settings. Its rapid phone charging capability in just 15 minutes through twirling or cranking is a game-changer for emergency communication. With versatile attachments and force multiplier technology, campers, hikers, and adventurers will find it indispensable. In search of a reliable fire starter, your solution lies in the Atomic Bear Fire Starter Survival Tool. This survival tool features a paraffin wax-infused hemp fire tinder rope, igniting with a single spark from your ferro rod or flint and steel. With 39 inches of wick providing over 3 hours of burn time, it's versatile and easy to cut. The Fire Wand offers precise control, portability, and a steady burn, making it essential for camping and survival kits. Say goodbye to fire-starting struggles with this reliable tool. The PARACARD is a versatile EDC and survival tool. Crafted by Olaf Anderson, this ingenious device combines a knife, fire starter, and 20 feet of genuine 550 parachute cord in a compact package. Crafted from 440C stainless steel, this versatile tool features a peanut lighter for cord fusing and fire starting, secured by durable rubber O-rings. With a choice between 2 inches or 3.5 inches knife lengths and 6 sheath color options, the PARACARD is an indispensable companion for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, or everyday carry needs. If you seek a trustworthy fire-starting solution, the PROCAMPTEK Fire Strip Roll unquestionably delivers on its commitment. Fashioned from robust, wax-infused fibrous paper, this roll guarantees water resistance and effortless ignition, whether using flint spark generators, lighters, or matches. Even with a depleted lighter, it's reliable. Tear a small section, expose fibers, apply a spark or flame, and witness it ignite. At 55 feet in length and compact in design, it's a vital addition to outdoor adventures and emergency kits, simplifying fire starting. The Go Time Gear Life Tent, designed as a 2-person emergency shelter, is a backpacker's ultimate companion. Made from tear-resistant mylar, it reflects 90% of your body heat to keep you warm and dry in any weather. At just 8.7 ounces, it's lightweight and compact, fitting into a small stuff sack. It sets up quickly between trees or can be wrapped around as an emergency sleeping bag. Plus, it comes with a 120 decibel whistle for rescue alerts and 20 feet of paracord. A must-have in any hiking, camping, or survival kit. Do you require a dependable outdoor water filtration solution? Look no further than the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter, your premier choice. Achieving an impressive 99.99% removal rate of waterborne bacteria, including dangerous strains like E. coli and Salmonella, and parasites such as Giardia and Cryptosporidium. This filter also handles microplastics, 1 micron, and reduces turbidity, 0.2 microns. Meeting strict USEA, PAA, NSF, and ASTM standards, it delivers exceptional performance and supplies up to 4,000 liters of clean drinking water, and essential for outdoor adventures. The SUL Phoenix Survival Tool is a compact and versatile must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. An all-in-one survival tool, it includes a retractable flint, a versatile multi-tool knife with a serrated blade, a waterproof tinder quick compartment, an LED light with a belt clip, and a built-in whistle. Perfect for starting fires, opening bottles, or signaling for help during outdoor adventures. This ingeniously designed tool is your dependable and indispensable companion. As we conclude our exploration of these cutting-edge survival gadgets, which one would you trust your life with? Share your thoughts in the comments, and stay prepared for more thrilling adventures in the world of survival tech.